Hello everyone, my name is Stacy Bebas and I'm a program leader at ICES for the Adelanto School District at Eagle Ranch Elementary School. And today I am bringing you guys this video and I'm going to teach you how to make do-it-yourself paper flowers. Okay, so first we're gonna fold the paper in a triangle like you see me doing it in the video. After that, we're gonna bring one side to the other side and we're gonna fold. Okay, and then we're gonna do it one more time. The corner to the other corner. We're gonna flip the paper over and then we're gonna fold in half. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it one more time. So we're gonna fold it in a triangle and then we're gonna bring one corner to the other corner and fold. And then we're gonna do it again and fold again. We're gonna flip it over and fold in half. So you're gonna want to do this for all four sides. So now what I'm doing is I'm cutting the paper in a snow cone shape and then we're gonna open it and we're gonna have a flower. So what you see me doing now is I'm cutting out one petal of the flower that we just made and I'm gonna put it to the side. So next we're gonna cut out two petals from the next flower and we're also gonna put it to the side because we're gonna need those pieces later. So after that, I'm gonna cut out 3 petals of the flower and again we're gonna put it to the side, and finally we're gonna cut out 4, which is half of the flower. So next we're gonna use the pen and we're gonna roll the petal. So as you see me doing in the video, we're gonna roll outwards, not towards us but outwards. And now I'm gonna get the pen and I'm gonna roll the petal as you see me doing in the video. So now what I'm doing is I'm gluing the bottom so it won't roll out. You can use any type of glue. I just chose to use a hot glue gun for today. So now we're getting the next petal that has 2 and we're gonna roll the tips. Again, rolling outwards, and now we're gonna roll the whole petal so we could get the next part of the center of the flower. So now we're gonna get the next petal that has 3. We're gonna use a hot glue gun to glue the first petal to the last petal, and it's gonna look something like this. So we're gonna continue to do this with the rest of the pieces that we have. We are going to glue the first petal to the last petal, and then we're gonna continue to the next one. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna use our pen and we're gonna roll the ends of each of the petals. Don't forget, we are rolling outwards, we are not rolling towards us. So the next step is to start putting the flower together. So first I'm gonna grab the two smallest pieces and I'm gonna put the smaller one inside the bigger one. I'm just gonna move it around, make sure it looks nice. Once I got it to sit perfectly, I'm gonna cut the end off a bit just because it's a little bit too long. So now we move on to the next piece, and again we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna move it around, make sure it looks nice. And now I'm gonna add some glue just so it will move around when it's inside. So we're gonna continue with the next piece. So I'm just gonna measure it, make sure it looks good. So it looks fine to me. So I'm just gonna put some glue, make sure it doesn't move around. And if you notice for this one, I didn't have to cut the end because it fit perfectly. But for the next one, I am gonna have to cut it just a little bit because it was sticking out too much and it did not look good. So after I cut it, I'm just fixing the petals, making sure it fits, and I'm gonna add some glue and I'm gonna glue it to the inside of the petal. So we're gonna continue to the next piece and we're gonna do the exact same steps. We're gonna measure it, and if it looks good, we're gonna glue it, and we're gonna continue doing these steps until we run out of pieces. And there you have it. That is the final result.